Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix HITV app download error on iOS. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Hi guys, so if your HITV app is not working or you cannot download it, the first step is to check your internet connection. So make sure you are connected to your internet connection, or if you are connected and it's still not working, try switching to a different connection. And the second step is to update the HITV app if you haven't already. So just uninstall it and update it. The third step is to clear app cache and data. So you can Google how to do it on iOS and Android. The fourth step is to just restart your device if you haven't already, and also restart your app, and then just check for system updates. So to do it on iOS, just go to settings, go to general and click on software update and see if you have any updates, and then just update your iPhone. It's going to be pretty similar on an Android phone as well. And you can try reinstalling the HITV app, or you can use VPN. So just go to your iOS App Store or Google Play Store and search for VPN here, and you can download any free VPN and try using it and see if it fixes your problem. So yeah guys, if you found this video to be helpful, then thanks for watching. And also guys, I mentioned Android phones. Since this is an iOS tutorial, I forgot there aren't going to be any Android phones, so pardon me for that. So anyways guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.